If you want to generate images in Perplexity AI for free, I'll show you the exact steps so you can start creating AI images without spending a dime. First of all, open your preferred browser and go to perplexity.ai. After that, sign in with your Google account, Apple ID, or create a free account if you don't already have one. Once you're logged in, you will see the main search bar. Now, here's the trick. Type your prompt as if you're asking Perplexity to create an image. For an instance, you could type generate an image of a futuristic city at night. Now, after submitting your prompt, Perplexity will process it and show you an image result along with related information. The best part is that this feature works for free, though there may be some limits depending on your daily uses. If you want to refine your image, simply rephrase your prompt with more details like adding colors, style, or perspective. For an instance, generate an image of a futuristic city at night in cyberpunk style with neon lights. And if the image doesn't generate right away, make sure you're in the latest version of Perplexity and that your account is verified. Sometimes refreshing the page also helps. And that's all. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.